Hey there, welcome to today's video. So let's talk about a pretty common problem that many developers face when working on word-addins using OfficeJS. The issue we're tackling today is related to a pesky caching problem that occurs when modifying the FunctionFile.js file. It seems that the changes made to the file don't always reflect when running the add-in again, creating quite a headache. This problem with the cached file not updating can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to iterate quickly on your code. Now, let's delve into the solution for this caching dilemma. In some cases, the workaround involves clearing the cache at the system level, particularly on Windows machines. By pressing Windows R to open the Run dialog and entering %temp%, you can access the temp folder and delete all its contents. Additionally, by running the command temp in the Run dialog and removing all files, you can give your project a fresh start. This method has proven effective for many developers facing similar caching issues when updating their JavaScript files. In summary, we've covered a common problem faced by developers working on word-addins using OfficeJS, the challenge of cached files not updating promptly. The solution involves clearing the cache at the system level on Windows machines by deleting temporary files. By following these steps, you should be able to ensure that your FunctionFile.js updates correctly and resolves any caching issues. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.